Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to make Char Kway Teow, which is a favorite in Malaysia and Singapore. Before we begin, let's just say that this recipe was made by a food enthusiast and not a professional chef, and it turned out great. So it's really easy to put together even if you know absolutely nothing about cooking. So put on your chef hats and let's get started. To make this Char Kway Teow, we need rice noodles. You can get any brand from your local grocery store. We picked up ours at Amma Nana in Alvarpet, Chennai. We soaked this in boiling hot water for 10 minutes to let it cook and then drained out the water. Most rice noodles come with their own instructions on the box, so you can just follow that to cook it to the consistency you prefer. You'll need chives. We didn't find chives, so we used spring onions, bean sprouts, garlic, prawns, and a range of sauces. First, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and some sugar. Mix it well and keep it aside. Pour some peanut oil onto a hot frying pan and add some garlic. Once you get the lovely scent of garlic to fill the air, making everyone around peep into your kitchen, add prawns and let it cook. The prawns should quickly change color as it doesn't take too long to cook. Once you see the change in the color, add spring onions and bean sprouts and give it a stir for a few seconds. Finally, add the star, rice noodles, and mix it all up well. Add the sauce mixture that we set aside initially and stir it well. Let it all cook together for a couple of minutes and then we're done. Your Char Kway Teow is now ready. Plate it in a bowl with some chopsticks just to keep it traditional. Or gobble it up straight off the pan. We won't judge. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it among your friends. If you'd like to see more such videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.